Finances bunge nene yakorire higikaro ky'ogusangiria ebirengererio kurwa Amashirika Aoao kubatekana n'omuswada we budget y'ogukigosomwa omutinyi ogatano nomo ase bunge egati Amashirika ayo nikiombekeri getenderete chikanisa emeyense omubunge okiaro Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro hamo nabange abande abo bakwanire na kuri ebirengereri biabo ase emiswada asasa omuswada oyo oenekire korenta obototokano ase gati y'abananchi Murigito Linet Nyambane agotomanyia ase enchero
Okong'sana na gwechinkwana kwenekiwe egati yekomiti ye bunge nene eywe komorekera obotumeki bwechibese ne kiombe gekora chikanisa NCCK chingaki ekomiti eyo yarenge gotegerera ebirengererio bya Amashirika Aoao kubwatekana n'omuswada bwe budget. Ekomiti eyo ekoragwa n'omubunge bwe constituency ya Molo oyiboigo oromunyakerogo Kimani Kuria nigo yakorire geikaro ase omubagani oyomo ime county ya Kiambu ase Amashirika Aoao arekorwa ebirengereri byabo.
So my proposal, Chair, is that maybe after this, if you have any specific concerns on the bill in terms of clause by clause, then you can write to us and say, we feel this clause is offensive, it should not actually be amended like this, or it should be deleted like this.
If the honorable member would prefer that we go and read for you word by word, we are willing. We committed this day for this session. We are ready to read word to word and tell you this clause, this is what it is saying in our understanding, and this is what we are proposing.
Abarai bechikanisa babekireteneni aribaroche abwato bututukanu anene ase sekta ya mitumba ase batebire komenta ebango ase ensemeyo nige guchia koremaria omokenya bwokonyora gwainse,
which we are saying the gradual implementation should be about looking at whether we have developed the textile that can support Kenyans to get cheaper clothes, and that's where we are saying it has talking about taxation of mitumba. Then we can also say we have something that we are producing in the country. Our problem is the cost of clothing for the small or the poorer households in this country.
We said so clearly. So make it people-centered overhaul or substantially amended, because it raises taxes and expands enforcement powers without sufficient expenditure control, accountability, and economic growth. That's what we say. Again, a number about the issue of clause. Please read our paper. We went one by one, using our professionals, so that we are able to present.
That is well understood. You don't have to belabor the point.
Omubunge okiaru Ndindi Nyoro nere omurekeire ebing'ese biria bibwenerete kurusigwa roro aseboigo akwaneire emeroberio ebwenerete kubwatigwa ne serikali.
We are caught up to make a decision as a country. There is the fuel prices that are going up, and if you look at all the other disruptions that have happened in the past, it is clear that what you are handling is a temporal disruption in the global oil supply chains. And therefore, we have to ask ourselves as Kenya, do we need to make decisions that will be very far-reaching in the medium and long term based on the temporary situation, or can we do something about it so that we have some stability in the medium and long term? And I went to the option of intervention. Interventionist meaning that we do something as Kenya so that we can arrest the future instabilities in terms of all the other parameters of the economy. Secondly, Chair, is that if we let things flow the way they are flowing without any major intervention and without proposing any major interventions, clearly we'll be having inflation figures coming out over the weekend for this month. And for sure, they are likely to be over 7.5% year on year. That is one parameter. If we look at the other issues, for example, other things that are responsive to oil prices increment, which affect everyone.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase e county ya Nairobi, erietariane Linet Nyambane.